Hi, this is Farhan and welcome back to another video. Since the official lawsuit which was filed back in December of last year on 22nd December, we really haven't had some major updates. But today we have all those juicy details regarding this Ripple lawsuit, and both Ripple and the SEC have jointly released their statements, which we can officially look at now and look at what's going to happen to this lawsuit in the future. A lot of new things are out in this new letter which was filed to the judge. So we are going to take a look at this, look at the dates which have been announced regarding this and how it's going to impact the price of XRP in the future. All of these in today's video. So without wasting much time, let's just dive in. Let's first look at this letter and see what each side has said, and then we'll move on to the price near the end. And I will try my best to give an unbiased opinion here. So starting with the SEC, they start out by attacking Ripple, saying that, hey, look, Ripple has been selling securities, about $1.3 billion worth of securities. Both Chris Larsen and Brad Garlinghouse are personally mentioned in this letter as well. So this is not something new. We've heard this from SEC previously, but there are some couple of interesting things here. Now, SEC is basing its entire XRP as a security based on the Howey test. But again, Ripple is going to defend itself from that, which we'll take a look at later. But first, the SEC says defendants promoted and sold XRP as an investment that purchasers reasonably believed would increase in value and price based upon Ripple's tweeted efforts. Its self-described XRP strategy to create an active and liquid trading market for XRP and other infrastructure for XRP. Ripple itself understood this when it asked a fund investing in XRP to disclose to investors that the Ripple ecosystem's reliance on the efforts of Ripple Labs, the single largest holder of XRP, to promote and expand the ecosystem, creates great risk that XRP might be deemed a security as compared to other virtual currencies. As the SEC alleges, and the evidence will show, Ripple was a principal party behind the success or the failure of this ecosystem, under how defendants offered and sold an investment contract. So the SEC here is saying that, look, if Ripple basically died out initially, the XRP was doomed as well. So they are basically saying that the entire success and failure of XRP dependent on Ripple, the company, and this kind of falls under the Howey test. So this is why they're saying that XRP is an investment contract, XRP is a security. Well, the entire 3 pages that has been put forward by the SEC and talking basically about how XRP is a security, how Ripple was illegally selling securities without providing very hard factual evidence. I think, in my opinion, and please do know this is my opinion, I think that the case which the SEC is putting forward, it is very weak. And on the other hand, Ripple also put out its statement, and Ripple is on the attack mode here, saying that, look, SEC does not have anything major evidence to prove such a thing. So basically, Ripple starts off its defense by saying that XRP is a virtual currency, just like Bitcoin and Ethereum. And right now, Bitcoin and Ethereum are proven to be virtual currencies by the SEC. They are not securities. Then Ripple further went on by saying that XRP has been circulating publicly since at least 2013, and today trades in a robust worldwide market with billions of dollars in daily trading volumes. Ripple's own transactions in XRP are a fraction, less than 1% of this market. Regulators in other countries, including Japan, the United Kingdom, Singapore, have correctly found XRP to be a currency, not a security. And this is something Ripple has been saying for a very long time. Look, pretty much every other country besides the United States is saying that XRP is a currency. It is not a security, but only the SEC is saying that, hey, look, we don't care about what every other countries are saying. XRP is a security in United States. And so Ripple is going out by saying that, look, it doesn't really matter what the SEC is just basing its own opinions on. What the facts are saying is that XRP is a currency. And Ripple further went on and said, under Howey, the SEC must show, among other things, that Ripple and purchases of XRP entered into a common enterprise dependent on Ripple's managerial efforts. The SEC cannot do so. The evidence will show that there was no common enterprise and that any increase in value of XRP holders received were not dependent on Ripple's action. Basically, they were saying, hey, if Ripple, the company, performed really good, good. It didn't really have an impact on the price of XRP, and this is true for those of you who have been in the world of cryptocurrency and have invested in XRP for many years. You would know that whenever Ripple signed on a new customer, a new financial institution, it really did not impact the price of XRP, and this is exactly what Ripple is saying here. And they also said that purchasers of XRP have no ongoing relationship with Ripple, no claim to Ripple's profits, no ownership interest in Ripple, and no right to require Ripple to do anything at all. And again, this is true. An investment contract, a security, is related to the company which is operating. In this case, no matter what happens to Ripple, it really doesn't have a major impact on the price of XRP. And also it says, in the wake of the SEC's complaint, XRP holders, including millions of innocent retail holders of XRP with no connection to Ripple, suffered losses of more than $15 billion in market value. And this is true. We are currently in the crypto bull run. We are currently in the alt season. Pretty much every cryptocurrency out there is performing exceptionally well, except XRP. XRP has suffered a lot of losses. And if this lawsuit wasn't there, XRP would easily have crossed $1, as I have mentioned in some of my previous videos. Now, the document contains around 9 pages of a lot of information, a lot of legal jargon. If you guys are interested in it, I'll link it in the description box below. And also, I think Legal Briefs YouTube channel made a good video on this, so you guys can check him out if you want to know more in details regarding the legal section of this. But now I'm pretty sure you guys are interested in one very important section of this, and that is regarding the settlement. And we all know we want an early settlement, because that would mean that this lawsuit is closed and Ripple can go back to doing business as usual, and it will not have a major impact on the price of XRP. Now, regarding the settlement, there is a very interesting paragraph. It says, counsel for the parties have met and conferred, and having previously discussed settlement, do not believe there is a prospect for settlement at this time. However, the parties will promptly notify the court if any settlement in principle is reached as to any defendant. Defendants agree with the statement, but note that previous settlement discussions took place under a previous administration and were principally with relevant division directors who have since left the SEC. So this is something we kind of knew that, and Brad Garlinghouse did tweet saying that they did talk to the previous administration regarding reaching a settlement with the SEC. And now they're saying, hey, look, we talked about them previously, and right now it is, and unfortunately for us, it seems that there is no settlement anytime soon, at least according to what this letter is saying. So very interesting to see this. But again, I should mention here that moving into the future, the new chairman, Gary Gensler, he is going to be coming in. And when he does, I think this case would move much further, because as we all know, he is very pro cryptocurrency. But again, a lot of this is dependent on what is being said right now, and right now it seems that there is no chance of settlement anytime soon. Now, regarding the important dates coming up, and also I should mention here that the chance of settlement is not completely out yet, as you will find out. Well, the first pre-trial conference is for 22nd February, and the first fact discovery date is for 2nd July, and the expert discovery date is for 16th August. So basically the final discovery date is 16th August. So for those of you who don't know what discovery is, it's basically the exchange of information between two parties. So in our case, the exchange of information between the SEC and Ripple. Now, as this paragraph mentions here, all counsel must meet face-to-face or via video conferencing for at least 1 hour to discuss settlement within 14 days following the close of fact discovery. So the fact discovery is for 2nd July, so there might be a possibility we can see a settlement somewhere in July. But if that doesn't happen, then we'll move on to the final pre-trial, which is the final pre-trial submission date is 30 days following the close of expert discovery, which is 16th August. So we will see somewhere this around September, and the final verdict will be passed somewhere in October of this year. Now, regarding the price of XRP in the future, again, this is very hard to decide until we get the final verdict of this lawsuit, and if there is a settlement which is reached much earlier. Now, obviously, we all want to see a settlement reached much earlier, because it is going to benefit pretty much every XRP investor out there. But from what we're hearing from this letter here, it seems that a settlement chance is very unlikely to happen anytime soon. So the price of XRP is going to hover within its trading range for quite some time. Now again, this is also dependent on the overall crypto market, not just XRP itself. If the overall crypto market is doing amazing, we can see an impact of this on the price of XRP. But now again, the downside here, and I have to mention here, is that by the time we see the lawsuit settled, and even if Ripple wins, but we're not in the bull cycle anymore, the price of XRP might not go as high as some of you might expect. Well guys, that was the video for today, and in my future videos we will be looking at the price of XRP more closely, and we'll see how some other factors can affect the price of XRP, not just this Ripple lawsuit. So make sure you're subscribed for that. And for those of you who are new to my channel, consider subscribing and giving this video a like, as it helps out a lot. And if you want to see my content, again, make sure you give it a like so the YouTube algorithm will recommend you my videos. And what do you guys think about this new letter from the updates that you heard from me today regarding this Ripple lawsuit? What are your thoughts regarding this? Do drop a comment below. Well guys, as always, I will see you next time.